A 2-year legal battle over Silfab Solar returned to court today. A circuit court judge heard arguments between the facility and York County, the Board of Zoning, and the appeals over whether the company can legally operate in its current location and current zoning. WCNC Charlotte's Bria Smith breaks down what happened inside court today.
Today's court hearing was about 2 hours long, but no decision was made. It's leaving nearby residents and those against Silfab uncertain.
The citizens really didn't get heard today. This was Silfab's appeal of the BZA. After 2 years after the BZA, they get their appeal. We still haven't had ours.
All right, I'll give you a lot to think about. I'm not making any decisions today.
Tuesday's hearing centered on Silfab's appeal of the 2024 ruling from the York County Board of Zoning Appeals, saying the company's operations were not permitted under local zoning rules. Andy Lytle, who is against Silfab, says residents still have yet to be heard.
We have not had a day in court in 2 years. The evidence that shows the permits were not lawfully given has not been presented in front of a judge or a jury anywhere.
South Carolina Congresswoman Nancy Mace attended the anticipated court hearing and tells me it's imperative Silfab operates under the county's expectation of light industrial zoning.
These are families, children, neighbors that are right next door to Silfab who feel like there was a bait and switch here. This is a light industrial question, and you have what appears to be heavy industrial manufacturing happening here with very dangerous chemicals.
Complex chemical matters. That had to be and was presented to the board.
Silfab's defense argues the company has followed county guidelines and should be allowed to move forward with operations, saying the $150 million project that the county initially invested in has brought jobs and economic growth to the area. Citizens Alliance for Government Integrity, the community organization behind Move Silfab, filed a petition with the Supreme Court seeking to stop Silfab from operating. Lytle says they won't stop until they are heard.
We're going to take it to the United States Supreme Court based on the 14th Amendment of the Constitution, which is if you are a citizen, the government cannot deny you life, liberty, and property without due process. We have not been given due process, and we hope to get it at the United States Supreme Court.
The court judge will be making a decision at a later date, and coming up at 6, we'll have more on what those are doing to help get Silfab shut down. In York County, Bria Smith, WCNC Charlotte.